So the gallery walk is a really great tool because it gives the students an opportunity to go around the classroom first and have a look at the different ways that other students solve the problem so that they can kind of start that thinking process so that when we get to Congress, they've had an idea of what the other solutions look like, because sometimes they're very different than their own. So it just really starts that process, and if they move with their partner, then they can have that conversation along the way. When they get to another piece of work, they can talk with their partner about it and then reflect on it and leave a comment or a question that they think would be appropriate for that particular solution. They need to be accountable, that they have to leave a comment on somebody's work, and we often reflect on those comments. Was the comment you got appropriate? Did it help you? Did it not help you in terms of looking at your solution? Okay, so you guys are going to go with your partner off to do a gallery walk. You each have a sticky note, and you're going to look at the solution, and you're going to think about maybe a question that you want to ask about the math solution, or a comment that you have about the math solution. So you're going to go and visit 2 different pieces of work, and when you're done, you're going to go back to your work and have a look at the questions or comments that were left for you. Are there any questions before you go? Taylor?
And if there's already like tons of sticky notes on there, go to somewhere else where it doesn't have a lot.
Yeah, so if there's a backup at one piece of work, make sure that we want to make sure that everybody gets some questions and comments about their work, so we need to try to spread out. Robin?
Are we going around with our math partner?
Yes, you're moving with your math partner. Tanner?
And if there's too many people at one solution, move to another one.
Victoria?
What if you have stuff on the back of your thing?
Oh, so there might be work on the back? Okay, well maybe then people might know to maybe look at the back. I know that some people have 2 sheets as well, that they started on one sheet and moved to another, so. Okay, Adam?
I just got an idea. I was thinking that if there's a lot of stickies at one person's work, and you move on to another one that has less stickies to give them some information.
Okay, sounds like a good idea.
I don't know. Do you want to write a question about the algorithm?
Yeah.
So we can write like, I don't understand the algorithms.
It's supposed to be the sides, not the whole amount in it. Because it's supposed to be the whole amount. It's not supposed to be how many there is. It's supposed to be the size of it.
But I like how they did this. But they did it repeatedly because there's 4 by 6 and there's 4 by 6 and there's 4 by 6.
Because they want to see if it says A, B.
But they're all the same because it goes 4 by 6, 4 by 6, 4 by 6.
Maybe think about the layers.
I'm guessing.
Yeah.
That's a layer, that's a layer, that's a layer. See how they're split up?
Yeah,
So if you put them on layers, it's going to be 1 by 6, 2 by 6.
So how can people know that that's layers? They won't know that that's layers.
It doesn't say layers anywhere.
Look over there.
And 1 box.
That's also part of the layer.
Also counted by 2s together.
The arrows, layers.
So but how is someone supposed to know that?
I wrote that I liked how they used a lot of detail for 1 star. Another star was that their work was organized. I think a wish that I'm going to give them is to be more descriptive because they only just use numbers.
I said
Yeah, there's more. But they scribbled out a lot of things, and just it's not, and to me, it just doesn't really look that organized.
Yeah, because all their thinking should have been put on the page either way.
Yeah.
Like even if there is a mistake, just keep it there and then they'll realize it.
So I'm wondering if anybody would like to share a piece of feedback that they got on their paper that they found to be helpful. How is that helpful to you, Isaac?
Showing where the numbers came from, because we got a sticky note that says we don't know where the numbers are coming from. It's helpful to me because when me and Dylan go to do our next math problem, we're gonna explain where the numbers are, because here we didn't. We just randomly put down numbers.